The power of sleep. Unlocking the secrets of rest. Welcome to Facts Xro, where knowledge meets discovery. Today we are diving into one of the most overlooked yet vital aspects of health, sleep. While it may seem like a simple daily routine, sleep is in fact a powerful process that restores the body and shapes the mind. With professional editing and visuals, you'll see just how fascinating the science of sleep truly is. Every night, when we close our eyes, our bodies begin an extraordinary journey. Sleep is divided into cycles: light sleep, deep sleep, and the famous REM stage where dreams occur. Each bout plays a critical role in repairing tissues, consolidating memories, and preparing us for the day ahead. Without enough quality sleep, our bodies and minds cannot function at their best. During deep sleep, growth hormones are released, muscles recover, and the immune system strengthens. This is why athletes, students, and anyone under stress need proper rest. It is the body's most natural form of healing. Meanwhile, REM sleep sparks brain activity, weaving together memories and emotions, and boosting creativity and problem-solving skills. Have you ever woken up with the solution to a problem? You can thank your REM cycle for that. But what happens when we don't get enough sleep? Studies show that sleep deprivation increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Lack of sleep affects concentration, decision-making, and reaction time, making everyday tasks more difficult and even dangerous. Over time, chronic sleep loss can shorten our lifespan, proving that sleep is not a luxury, it is a necessity. The modern world makes it harder than ever to get proper rest. Blue light from phones and computers tricks our brains into staying awake. Stress keeps our minds racing long after we lie down. And unhealthy sleep habits leave us exhausted in the morning. But there are solutions. Creating a bedtime routine, reducing screen time, and practicing relaxation techniques like meditation can dramatically improve sleep quality. Scientists continue to unlock the mysteries of sleep, from understanding why we dream to exploring how the brain cleans itself during the night. Each discovery reminds us of one powerful truth. Sleep is not wasted time. It is one of the most productive things we can do for our health. So, what about you? Are you giving your body the rest it needs? Think of sleep as an investment in your energy, your health, and your future. Thank you for watching this documentary on the science of sleep, brought to you by Facts Xro. With professional editing and storytelling, we aim to make every video not just informative, but unforgettable. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Facts Xro for more fascinating health documentaries. Your support helps us grow and bring you even more amazing content. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next video.